Everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Akanksha Parashar and today we are going to learn about the advantages and disadvantages of ADBMS. Now before we do that, we need to know what actually is a DBMS. A DBMS or a database management system is basically a collection of programs that enable the user to store, modify and extract information from the database as per their requirement. A database management system acts as an intermediate layer between the program and the data. प्रोग्राम DBMS को एक्सेस करता है और DBMS डेटा को एक्सेस करता है विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द फीचर्स ऑफ द डेटा। कुछ DBMS जो कि कमर्शियली अवेलेबल है मार्केट में, जैसे कि DBase, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, etc. Now we will discuss the advantages of the various advantages of DBMS. Data abstraction, data redundancy control, minimization of data inconsistency, ease in data manipulation, data security, concurrent access of data, improved data access, data independence, improved decision making. Now we will discuss these advantages in detail. First advantage of database management system is data abstraction. Abstraction का मतलब होता है यूजर से unnecessary details hide करना और उन्हें सिर्फ वो ही डिटेल्स दिखाना जो उनके लिए यूजफुल हो। इससे कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज भी कम होती है और सिस्टम के साथ काम करना भी इजी हो जाता है। The second advantage of DBMS is data redundancy control. Redundancy means एक ही डेटा के मल्टीपल कॉपीज होना डेटाबेस में, यानी कि एक ही डेटा को दो या उससे ज़्यादा प्लेसेस में स्टोर करना। DBMS removes the problem of redundancy by using the ACID and normalization properties. The third advantage of database management system is minimization of data inconsistency. Since DBMS redundancy को reduce करता है system में, it also makes the system consistent by removing all the inconsistency. मतलब कि if data appears only at one place, it is easy to maintain it. The next advantage of database management system is ease in data manipulation. DBMS commands का use करता है जैसे कि insert, update, delete, select to manipulate the data ताकि data हमेशा updated रहे. The next advantage of DBMS is data security. Unlike formal file systems, DBMS एक secure system provide करता है अपने users के लिए ताकि वो securely अपने data को access कर सके. DBMS इसके लिए एक better framework भी provide करता है. The next advantage of DBMS is concurrent access of database. Multiple users एक साथ same database को access कर सकते हैं and hence can share the data easily. Users अपनी ease के according database को access कर सकते हैं. The advantage of DBMS is improved data access. जो data है उसको एक sorted manner में store किया जाता है DBMS में, जिससे कि जो user है it can retrieve the required data without worrying about the excess data. This saves the time. The next advantage of DBMS is data independence. Data stored in a particular database is totally independent of any other data. यानी कि अगर हम किसी एक डेटा को रिट्रीव कर रहे हैं तो हमें दूसरे जो रिडंडेंट एंड एक्स्ट्रा डेटा है उसकी टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हमें जो रिक्वायर्ड डेटा है सिर्फ वही हमें मिलेगा. We can retrieve our data of our choice without considering any other data. The advantage of DBMS is improved decision making. Easy accessibility and availability of data with the help of the database provided framework permits end users to make informed decisions. We will discuss the disadvantages of DBMS. The following are the disadvantages of DBMS: increased cost, management complexity, maintenance cost, frequent update and replacement cycles. Now we will discuss them in detail. Advantages of ADBMS is its increased cost. The database system requires sophisticated hardware and software और इनको database को manage करने के लिए highly skilled person की भी ज़रूरत होती है. The cost of maintaining these requisites and managing the database system can be substantial. There are also different types of cost occurring while maintaining the database. They are cost of hardware or software, cost of staff training to handle the database, cost of data conversion so that the data can be converted into the useful information. The second disadvantage of database management system is the management complexity. डेटाबेस को सेटअप करने के बाद उसको मैनेज करना एक बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टास्क है. At times it becomes quite complicated to decide कि डेटा को कहाँ से रिट्रीव करना है और डेटा को कहाँ पर सेव करना है. The next disadvantage of DBMS is its maintenance cost. The main disadvantage of a database management system is its high maintenance cost. To maximize the efficiency of database management system, it should be kept current and updated. Last disadvantage of DBMS is the frequent upgrade and replacement cycle. हमें DBMS को frequently update रखना पड़ता है to get the new functionality. Not only the upgrades cost money, but it also costs money to train the users and administrators to properly use and manage the new features. These were the advantages and disadvantages of ADBMS. Hope you all liked my video. Please comment and share and stay safe.